So they're having here, this row here is open house, where people are showing their setups, basically. So you can see how they live, how they travel, what setup they have. How they insulate to stay warm. It's pretty packed. Oh wow. Oh, here's a Land Cruiser. That's pretty nice. That's pretty cool. Surprised they did this with a low top. They come in high tops. I would have done a high top. Being able to stand up is a must for me. Goes from side to side. A lot of vans here. Some RVs, but mostly Class Bs. When I had my van, that was my preferred way to travel.
Stuff at Lowe's that they were selling, it was from New Zealand, and it was a really good quality, nice dry 1x2 material. So that's what we use for all the inside.
You built it yourself?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you.
So this is a minivan set up here. So there's all different sizes of vans. This is how she's got it set up. Very nice.
Yeah, I covered it with plastic.
Got the wood. This is a high top. I think it's a Sprinter, Mercedes. Is this your build? Very nice.
Thank you.
You did it yourself?
Yes.
Wait, it's what year is it?
19.
19. Okay.
I got laid off just due to COVID, and
It's okay if I record you?
That's all right, sure. And I picked the van up on the very day I got laid off. And I just built it out all of summer of 2020.
Good for you. Yeah, that's a good project. Huh?
Oh, yeah. Hardest thing I've ever done, but the best thing I've ever done.
It looks beautiful, honestly. Out of all the vans here. Very cool. A lot of cool vans here. Vanessa's Van Life Journeys. Subscribe, follow them on YouTube, Instagram. I'm gonna subscribe to her channel. This is myself.
Oh, yeah.
Nice setup. So there's a lot of YouTubers and content creators here, which is cool. So I'm handing out stickers. You must be Vanessa.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm gonna subscribe to your channel, and I love your van, how you have it set up. So give me a card.
Vanessa's Van Life Journey.
And I'm Silver Turtle 65.
And I think I don't know if I got you.
So many vans here that are taking part in this open house. So actually, I'm a subscriber, by the way.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
My name's David.
Nice to meet you, David.
So let me just, this is the perfect Class C. You got a little cat. And you're a traveling artist.
I used to have the same thing.
Nice. Awesome.
That's very cool.
The concern when I do it normally is that it will fall off there, and I've fallen a couple of times. But no, you'll be good.
Okay, I'm on the. Whoa! Oh, this is comfortable.
Relax.
This is cool.
It comes with the thing, so you can do a foot pole too.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this. I used to have a Road Trek 200.
Oh,
The
nice.
versatile.
Yeah.
And this is so cool. This is nice. Thank you for letting me try it.
Of course.
This was done by her father, the carpet part, but we did the other part last night at the Jolly. Hi, Jolly. Yeah, simple.
Wow, that's the smallest. I can't believe anybody's living out of this mini. I gotta see this. Are you kidding me? There's a bed in here.
There's a hydrocarbon in this thing.
Yeah, I don't think that's.
Looking at you and going,
Yeah, no, that's
Lego lady.
Lego lady. Okay. So she actually. This is unique. The smallest I've ever seen. There's a little loo. So it's okay if I film? Okay.
Somebody else was selling me spray bottles.
So this is it's a Dodge, right?
It is.
200.
Tradesman 200.
My first van.
18 in it.
My first van was a Dodge Tradesman 200, 1976,
Yeah, he knows. Well, it's nice meeting you. You too. Take care.
and yeah, 318, same thing.
Yeah.
This is 70, no 80. What year is this?
77.
76. Okay, mine was a 76. Okay. Yeah, my very first van. But it wasn't the long body. It was just a what they call a shaggin' wagon.
Oh,
You know,
yeah,
with a
yeah.
carpet all over the place.
Yeah, that's what my grandfather's was.
Yeah.
And it was a 74. And it didn't have any windows except for, what
Yeah.
you had to
I'm
have.
gonna have to do a separate video just for the vans of RTR. That one has a wind turbine. Here, another beautiful setup. So you got large vans, small vans, minivans, small RVs. That looks like a home-built travel trailer there, or trailer. And you got the Travatos, the Transits, the Mercedes, every type of different living arrangement and traveling arrangements you can see here. Very cool. I'm glad it's not windy.
My decals where I know it's all
Can I record inside it? I won't step in.
What is this?
So look at this.
My walls are made out of 2-inch insulation board. They call this a foamy trailer. These are 2-inch, and then this is poor man's fiberglass. You take the thickest painter's cloth you can get, and for the size that you need. Make sure, like I was telling somebody else, make sure you cut all the edges off. You can see where I didn't cut an edge down there, and it didn't lay flat. But
She made this herself.
rough up the foam board. I use Type Bond 3 glue. Put the glue on, put my tarp on, let it dry, and then put the. I did 2 coats of glue on the top because I was going to make sure it wasn't going to leak.
Yeah.
But I've been on the road for this summer will be 3 years. No leaks, I've not had no problem. The only thing I've had to do to it, and it was my fault. You can see where I didn't go all the way under good. No, water doesn't get in at all. But it was like that on the front.
It's amazing.
So I actually had to patch this year, and that's the only thing I had to do.
What did you use for the frame?
It's a 6x12 utility trailer with a 3,500 pound axle.
But the frame for the house.
The frame I use 2x4s for the framing, and then 2-inch insulation board with poor man's fiberglass on the outside.
I never heard of poor man's fiberglass.
Yeah, look it up on YouTube, but all it is painter's cloth and glue, and it's
Yeah, no, it's solid. It looks
just
cool.
like fiberglass. But
It was a beautiful day here in Quartzsite, and the RTR, I think, was a big success. A lot of turnout, parking lots full, and a lot of people here. So next week, there's a few days that it's coming up here with bad weather. So I'll probably be back here in a few days once the weather clears up. And I look forward to seeing some of the displays and the things that they offer here. So please give me a like, leave me a comment, and I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you. I felt bad for leaving Amy all day in the RV, but she did well, and she's really having a great time on this trip.